اللهم صل على محمد في الأولين وصل على محمد في الآخرين وصل على محمد في الملأ الأعلى إلى يوم الدين.
Islamic history quiz. Which city was Prophet Muhammad born? Mecca. Which night was the Quran first revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? Laylatul Qadr. Where did Prophet Muhammad and his followers move to escape persecution in Mecca? Medina. In which year did the Islamic calendar begin? (622 AD). The purpose for the Battle of Uhud was to defend from whom? Quraysh. Where did Muslims enter to gain control of most of the Iberian Peninsula? Spain. When was Prophet Muhammad born? (570 AD). Where did Islam originate? Arabian Peninsula. Which book records the traditions and sayings of Prophet Muhammad? Hadith. What is the name given to the devil in Islam? Iblis. Who became the third Caliph of Islam? Uthman. Where was the Dome of Rock completed? Jerusalem. Who compiled the Quran into a comprehensive book for the first time? Abu Bakr. How many did you get correct? Comment down below.